Hi viewers, welcome to ABC. Today we are discussing some 15 examples of letter series. That is after the number series, now we are discussing letter series. That is 15 questions. In that 15 questions having two types of letter series. Okay, right? First we are discussing 10 of some series and then repeated series. In the letter series having two types. లెటర్ సిరీస్లో మనకు రెండు టైప్స్ ఉంటాయండి. ఒకటి ఆల్ఫాబెట్స్ అన్నిటినీ యూజ్ చేసి అంటే ఎన్ని పెరుగుతున్నాయి ఎన్ని తగ్గుతున్నాయి అనేది. నెక్స్ట్ అదేవిధంగా ఆల్ఫాబెట్ అనేది సిరీస్లో ఉంటాయి. ఇప్పుడు ఏబి ఒకసారి వచ్చిందంటే సిరీస్ సేమ్ అదే సిరీస్ ఏబి 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 ఏబి, లేదు ఏబిసి వచ్చిందంటే ఏబిసి ఏబిసి ఏబిసి, అలా అంటే రెండు టైప్స్ ఉంటాయి సిరీస్. మనం ఈరోజు అవి డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. ఓకే రైట్. నౌ ఫర్ ద ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, వాట్ ఈస్ దట్? ఎస్ CD, next one is TEF and UGH and blank WKL. Now having a four different options, in that four different options which one we have to take for this question. Okay right. Now first see what is the pattern of series. అసలు ఏ సిరీస్ లో ఉందో ఫస్ట్ చెక్ చేయాలి కదా, మనకు ఆల్ఫాబెట్స్ అనేది తెలిసి ఉండాలి. ఓకే, ఇన్ ఎనీ ఎగ్జామ్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూ ఫస్ట్ గో ఆఫ్టర్ గెటింగ్ ఆఫ్ వి డోంట్ నో అబౌట్ వాట్ ఆర్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ ఇన్ ఆఫ్టర్ అండ్ బిట్వీన్ లైక్ దట్. విత్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ నెంబర్స్ వీ క్యాన్ డూ. మనకు అన్ని నెంబర్స్ గుర్తుంటే కొంచెం చేయడం ఈజీ అండి. నెంబర్స్ గుర్తులేనప్పుడు ఖచ్చితంగా రాసుకోవడానికి ట్రై చేయండి. అది కూడా వన్స్ ఇన్విజిలేటర్స్కి, దట్ ఈస్ ఏబి CDE, like that we have to write 5 for row. Okay right, అప్పుడే మనకి ఈజీగా ఉంటుందండి. ఓకే, FGHIJ KLMNO PQRST UVWXYZ. For suppose we needed a value of M is first starting from here, after 10 11 12 13 we needed a W, that is 20 21 22 23, like that. That's why I am writing 5 at a time. Okay, now we will check what is the series. STU, all are in series. STU and then V. Okay right, there is no any letter missing. C, D, E, F, G, H and then I. Okay right, next for the D, E, F, G, H, I, J. That is we require the answer is V, I, J. V, I, J. That is in the option number 3. Okay right. ఇక్కడ చూడండి మనం ఏం చేంజ్ చేసామో చూడండి. మనకి ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని లెటర్స్ ఉన్నాయి? 3 లెటర్స్. ఫస్ట్ లెటర్, సెకండ్ లెటర్, థర్డ్ లెటర్. ఫస్ట్ లెటర్ ప్యాటర్న్ ఎలా ఉంది? ఏమైనా మిస్ అయినాయా? నో మిస్, దట్ ఈస్ +1 ఓన్లీ. నా ఇక్కడ సెకండ్ లెటర్ గురించి ఏంటి? ఇక్కడ చూడండి, సెకండ్ లెటర్ ఒకటి మిస్ అయిన తర్వాత వస్తుంది +2, అది కూడా ఫార్వర్డ్ అంటే తర్వాత లెటర్సే వస్తున్నాయి. నెక్స్ట్ 3 కూడా ఒకటి మిస్ అయి వస్తున్నాయి, +2. ఓకే, ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ టేకింగ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ లెటర్స్ బిట్వీన్ లైక్ దట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఫాలో దిస్ వన్. అదర్ దాన్ యాడింగ్ నెంబర్స్, దట్ ఈస్ value of S is 19, value of T is 20, U is 21, like that. We require next one is 22 is V, like that. Okay, that is +1 +2 +3. Okay right. Now second question, what is that? LMA NOP PQC blank STE. Here also same 3 letters. Okay, we will cross check that one. First one, L, M is there. Okay, first numbers and then is there any gaps? Having 3 letters, first letter, second letter, third letters. First one is L. Okay, next M misses N, O, P. Okay, now missing Q, we require R. Next, here it is M. Next one is N misses O, P misses Q, R misses S. Next one, that is A, next one is B, next one is C, next one we needed D. That is what we required series. That is R, S, D. Okay, I am explaining one question very briefly. ఒక క్వశ్చన్ మీకు నిదానంగా నీట్గా అప్లై చేస్తే నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ మీకు ఈజీగా ఉంటాయి. ఎలా ప్యాటర్న్ అనేది చేంజ్ అవుతుంది దానికోసమని. ఓకే రైట్ నానా? లేదంటే మనం నెంబర్స్ రాసుకుందాం. ఎల్ వచ్చేసి 12, ఎన్ వచ్చేసి 14, పి వచ్చేసి 16, 12, 14, 16. నెక్స్ట్ రావాల్సింది 18. 18 అంటే ఏమొస్తుందండి? ఆర్. ఓకే నెక్స్ట్ ఎం అంటే 13, 15, 17, 13, 15, 17. నెక్స్ట్ 19, దట్ ఈజ్ ఎస్. 1, 2, 3. నెక్స్ట్ రావాల్సింది 4, దట్ ఈజ్ 4, డి. In any logic, that is same one only. We required or SD in the second option. Okay, right? Next, third one. LM A NO. Sorry, that is second one only. Please, we require third one. Na? That is LM N P. Next one P Q R T. Next T U V X. He is asking for next letter in the series. Okay, look at there. In the 4 letters, 3 letters are in capital, 1 letter is small letter. Okay, that same we have to repeat also, same that one only. Which letter is capital, which letter is small? Okay, in the every third place having small letter. That's why we are also taking third place as small letter. Okay, now L M N. L M N. Okay, I am writing like this, L M N. We required O, but O is there here? No. After that, P came. Again the series starts from P, Q, R. S is not there. T. Again the series starts from T, U, V, W. Then X. Now we needed a next one. That is starting from X, Y, Z. After that getting A. Which letter we have to compulsory, which letter we are missing here? 4th letter, A. We required B. Okay, that is Y, X, Z, B. And also one letter must be small case. What is that letter? Okay, our required answer is X, Y, third letter is Z here. That's why we are taking Z as a small one. Next one is B. Okay, in each option it is there X, Y, Z, B. X, Y, Z, B in the option number 3. Okay, right? Next, 4th question. Same this one also. ZB, YA. Next one, XD, WC, VF, UE. Asking for a next one. Here also 4 letters are there. 4 letters are there. ZY, XW, FE. VU. These are all the capital and then small. One capital, one small. One capital, one small. Now we require here. Now first one is this one. We required 4 letters. In that one, 2 are smaller case letters, 2 are uppercase. Okay, right? Okay, right. Z, X. Okay, sorry. Here it is Z, Y, X, W, V, U. What is that? Look at there. UVWXYZ. అంటే before of U we needed at these places. Okay, the letters in capital all in decreasing order. The letters are in capital letter or in decreasing order. Now UV before of U which is there, T, before of T which is there, yes, now once, yes, TUVWXYZ. Okay, right? Now next one is from the starting AB, CD, EF. Next one is GH needed, but look at there, AB reverse, CD reverse, EF reverse. Now that is GH or HG, that is HG. H is there, G is there. What is our required series? THSG. THSG there in the second option. Okay, right, Nana? Now next, fifth one, that is JAZLEX NIV PMT. We required next letters. Here 3 are pattern. J K L M N O P Q, take it as R. Okay, one letter is getting here. Now from A E I M, what we are reading next? Okay, right, from A to E, B C D, E to I, F G H I J K L. Next one N O P. Next one is Q. Is it fine? That is second letter is Q. Now for the third one, here it is Z X. Which letter is misses? Y. W U. Which letter we have to miss here? That is yes, taking R. Look at there now, R S T U V W X Y Z. That is what we in the last blank, that is R. We required R Q R, all are caps, R Q R in the second option. Okay, right? This is the fifth question. Now we will check sixth question. Next, sixth one. What is that? AZ GT MN YB. Okay, now we will check this, having a lot of difference here. I am taking numbers 1 7 13 26 20, that is 14 25 2. Okay, here there is a common number here, adding of these 27, adding of these 27, adding of these 27, adding of these 27. That means we are adding of these, we can get a 27 first. Okay, right? 1 7 13, 1 7 13, gap of 25. What is the logic here? Plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, that is 19, plus 6 25. We required 19th one, that is 19th one. What is the 19th letter? Yes, by adding of which number for the 19th we can get a 27, that is 8. What is the 8th letter? That is H. We required S and H. S and H there in the option number 1. Other than of this we can think other less. Okay, 1 6, 13. Next number we needed 19, 25. Okay. Whenever we are counting from A to Z, 1, 6, 13, 19, 25. Whenever we are counting from Z to A, 1, 6, 13, 19, 25. That is the logic. That is opposite letters. Opposite letter means whenever you are writing from A, B, C, D line to M and then N, O, Y, Z. A is opposite of Z, M is opposite of N, G is opposite of T, like that. Okay, that is opposite letters. Opposite letters is expressed in two way. That is adding of 2 getting a 27. Okay, ఎదురెదురుగా ఉండేటివి అంటే మనం హాఫ్ సగం వరుసను ఒక సైడ్ రాసి మళ్ళీ రివర్స్లో రాస్తే ఇలా వస్తాయండి. ఓకే రైట్ నాన్న? Next, 7th one. BH, KNQ, TWZ. He's asking for next letter. Okay, right? B, 5, 8, 11, 14. What is number of Q? That is 17, 20, 23, 26. Is there any logic here? Any logic? Compulsory having. Adding of 3, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 5 plus 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 14, like that. Sometimes is there any confusion? Write a numbers. It is getting now 26 up to here. It is balanced. Now adding of 3. That means 2 letters are missing here. B, C, D. Like that, missing of 2 letters. A, B misses. C came. What is the value of C? 3. Now 6, 9. That is F and the 9 is I. C, F, I. Now that is C, F, I. There in the third option. That is whatever required. Okay, right? Next, 8th one. MHZ, NIW, OKT, P and Q. What is the next? Okay, can we write a numbers here? 13, 8, 26. Okay, without number is there any possibility? Oh yes. M, N, O, P, Q. Okay, right? H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. Or here there is no miss, 1 miss, 2 miss, 3 miss. Okay, right? Next. Z, W, T, Q. What is the next letter? From Z to W, Y. Okay. From T to W, U, V. From here to here, R, S. Okay. Q, R, S, T. Okay, sorry. T, U, V, W. From here to here, W, X, Y. Sorry. X, Y is there. 2 missing here. Again, we are giving 2 misses. After that, we can get a Q. Okay. That is, we are required Q here. Missing of 2. That is O, P, Q. Before of O, yeah. N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now our requirement is Q, R, N. Q, R, N is there in the third option. Okay, right? Next, 9th one. DF, GJ, KM, NQ, RT. Next letter. Okay, right? D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. Next one. Look at there. From here to here, is there any missing? No. That's why we are not missing anyone. After R, S, T, U, V, W, X. Why? Because 1 time 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 missing. V, W, and then X. U and X. U and X there in the option number 3. Okay, right? Next. 10th one. What is that? Z, L, X, J, V, H, T, F, double blanks. Okay, there is single number series. Is there any? Okay, yes. Look at there. From Z to X, X, Y, Z, V, W, X, U, V. From here to here, we are missing one. What we have to miss? Yes, that is R, S, T. Okay, right? From here to here, L, I, J, K, L, H, I, J, F, G, H. We have to miss one here. What we have to miss? E. That is D. D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. What are the answers now? R, comma D. R, comma D in the option number 3. Okay, right? Okay, right. Next, 11th question. This is repetition of series. What is the series repeated here? And we have to substitute these 4 values in the option. Okay, what is the series here? That is B, A, A, B, and then B, A, A, B, and then B, A, A, B. What are the blanks here? That is 4 blanks. That A, B, B, A. Okay, right? Next. Now, what is the series? This is totally repetition of 4 numbers. Now, this one is repetition of 3 digits. What is that? A, B, C. Next, B, C, A. Next, C is there. We required after C, A. Now, after A, we required B. Total repetition of A, B, C. A, B, C. And then B comes B, A, C. Now, C, A, B. Now, what are those? C, A, A, B. Okay, right? This is 4 letters. This is 3 letters. Now, for the 13th one, how many letters repeated? We have to check. Now, A, another A, B. I am taking another A. Here it is total 4 A's, B, A. Total 4 A's, B, A. A, and then B, A. Repetition of how many letters? That is 6 letters. Okay, next one. Here it is A, B is there. Here also A, B is. That's why we are moving like this. A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, and then A, B. What are those? Repetition of how many letters it is? 2 letters. What are the requirement answers? A, B, B, A, B. A, B, B, A, B. Okay, next 15th question. Now 15th question is we have to check. Okay, here it is 3 letters like that is there. I am taking B. How here? B is double. Now B, A, C. See, this is completed. Again I am starting with B. Here 4 letters. Again I am starting with B. Completion of here. Now already B starts. Okay. Now here it is B is double. Now in this series C is double. Now here we required A is double. After that A, again B must be double. Double B, C, A, B, double C. Here it is double A. Now what is the series? This one B, 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 A, B. triple B, A, B. These are all the total 15 questions of letter series. Okay, thank you.